In this lecture, I will teach you how to filter data. So for sometimes you need to see some specific data. You don't want to see other data. Like for me, now I'm interested to see only the data related to HR department. So how will I filter this data? So you can go to the data and then go to the data and click filter, or you can go to the home menu and click sort and filter. From both ways you can filter this data. So I'm clicking on the data menu and then I'm clicking on the filter option. So here you can see the filtering option has been appeared, and from this button you can click. So first of all I will deselect all, and then I will select the column that I want to see filtered in. So I only want to see the people from HR department. So I'm clicking here in this HR department, and you can see the worksheet. It's only showing the people from HR department. So by this way you can filter data. So after filtering, just click the clear option, and then the previous worksheet will be appeared on your workbook.